Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are well and safe and your preparation for upcoming TCS and QT, for Capgemini and all other placement exams is going good and you are consistently putting the efforts. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. Also do like this video, do share this video with your friends as well, because in this video we are going to show an exciting opportunity for all the students, so that is going to be useful for all the students. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, here in this video I'm going to tell you about the internship opportunity at Geeks for Geeks. Now I don't think that there will be any student who's not aware of Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is a very famous platform for computer programmers, for the coding things, and here you will get lots of stuff too study about, to prepare about, and so many things are there, right? So it is a very famous platform among the students and professionals as well, right? So in this video I will tell you what internship opportunities Geeks for Geeks is providing. But before this, there is something amazing for you guys. There is something amazing. Let me show you what is that. You all must be knowing that I am handling my YouTube channel as well, and beside this I'm a part of online study for you channel as well. I'm a programming teacher there, right? So that's why online study for you is providing Capgemini and TCS 21 days coding crash course, and that is going to be helpful for all the students. I'm going to take the classes for Capgemini and TCS, so together in the 21 days you will be able to cover both Capgemini and TCS. So that is going to helpful for both the exams, that is TCS and Capgemini. And this is 21 days crash course just in rupees 199. We kept the price low so that you all can afford, right? So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. The timing is going to be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and the classes are going to start from tomorrow itself. The seats are limited, that's why don't forget to register as quick as possible. Just quickly go to the online study for your YouTube channel, and on the recent video itself you will get the link for the courses. So just do register for this course, right? Not only this, the founder of online study for your YouTube channel, that is Prateek sir, is also going to take TCS and Capgemini classes for 21 days for aptitude and reasoning, because for placement aptitude and reasoning is also very important section. His classes are also going to start from 9th of April and the price is just rupees 199, so that you all can afford. So this is the wonderful opportunities for all of you guys. So make sure to register for both the courses. Just quickly move to the online study for you platform. There itself you will get the links for both the courses. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Here you can cover the syllabus of two companies, that is Capgemini and TCS. It is going to be helpful for both the companies. So make sure to join, guys. So the first internship opportunity provided by Geeks for Geeks is about video internship. So what is that? So you will be making videos regarding the other programming sections, or the programming languages, data structure, and so according to your comfort. So what you have to do for applying to this internship, you have to put your email address in the form. I will be sharing the link for the form in the description itself. Full name, contact number, you have to upload your resume, and also you have to upload a sample video so that they can analyze and accordingly they can select. Not everyone is going to be selected for sure. So if you have given a good video, if your video quality is good, if your teaching skills are good, then for sure you'll be selected. Now here they have mentioned that on which domain you would like to teach. Okay, so you have to mention video domain, topics of your interest, and technical proficiency as well. So accordingly, according to your comfort, you can choose whether you are comfortable in teaching programming languages, computer science subjects, or coding related things, right? So you can mention here. And also if you are having a YouTube channel, then please do mention the link of your video as well. Okay, so just provide all these sort of things, and just you have to simply click on submit. And if they liked your way of teaching, if they liked your teaching skills, then for sure you'll be shortlisted and someone from their team will communicate you. Next opportunity from Geeks for Geeks is about 24-hour sprint challenge. So here what you have to do, here you have to solve 8 problems based on data structure and algorithm in a span of 24 hours and prove that you are the ultimate geeks. So what are the course features? Basically, the course contains 8 contests. Each contest can be attempted any time between fixed slot of 3 hours. The time to solve the question will be unlimited and the timer will start as soon as you start the contest. Each contest will contain exactly 1 question. The mark of each contest will vary according to the difficulty of the question. right? So what is this? So for joining this event, you have to, this will be go on for 24 hours straight, right? As you can see here, here you will be getting DSA based problem with varying difficulty, so can make sure that your skills are up to the mark. Okay, so you have to join this. So you can see it is mentioned. So join us on 11th April from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Now, what are the rewards associated with it? So first winner will be getting Amazfit smartwatch plus Geek Premium account, that is plan plus Geek merch, Geek coupon worth, right, extra super prizes. Second, third will be getting Amazon Echo Dot plus DFG premium annual plan. See, you can see you are going to get lots of things if you got won this, if you are getting a particular position in this competition, right? As you can see here, for fourth and fifth, they have provided Bose rockers, neckband, earphone, GFG premium account, GFG merch, GFG coupon, right? 6th to 10th, they'll be providing Amazon voucher worth INR 1000 plus GFG premium quarter plan, GFG merch, and you can read accordingly. So this is a wonderful opportunity for the students. Along with the prices, you'll be able to check your programming skills, and you will be able to learn something. You will be definitely going to learn something from this 24-hour coding challenge, right? So you can see here what you'll be learning. So code in a competitive environment to truly test your skills, solve hardcore contests in just 24 hours, jaw-dropping prizes will await you if you win, and participants belonging from all across the globe will be giving a run for your skills, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity. So make sure to register. And okay, so first you have to create your account, and then you will be able to register for this particular challenge. So guys, do apply for both the amazing opportunities from the Geeks for Geeks. Also, don't forget to check out the courses of TCS NQT plus Capgemini, coding crash course and aptitude crash course on the online study for you platform. Be a part of the course and start preparation for the TCS and Capgemini as well. Happy learning guys. Thanks for watching this video. Keep preparing, keep learning. Thank you.